Let Sweet Escape take you away on your dream vacation. Sweet Escape is a luxurious 130-foot Christensen motor yacht. Sweet Escape cruises in style to some of the world's best yachting destinations. Guests enjoy full mega yacht amenities, superb service, and fine dining. The private chef creates custom menus designed especially for your tastes and preferences. Sweet Escape has abundant on-deck areas for dining, soaking up the sun, and water sports. Equipped with all the water toys, Sweet Escape lets you be as active or as relaxed as you wish. Sweet Escape accommodates up to 10 guests in 5 elegantly appointed staterooms. Each has its own entertainment system. It's easy to keep in shape with so much to do on board. Hop on a tender to explore islands and beaches. On Sweet Escape, you'll spend your days just as you please. The professional crew is always on hand to make your voyage pleasurable and memorable. You'll have plenty of time on board for your favorite activities. Maybe even learn something new. Sweet Escape offers the ideal blend of luxury, superb service, and easygoing outdoor fun. Make your escape a sweet escape.